Hello, for this video, it's so simple to assemble the mag and everything that I'm just gonna forget it with the fancy editing and whatnot and just tell you how to assemble it. Hello, and I finally fixed the mag and everything, so quick updates. The feed assist got a new updated part which I have re-uploaded on the files list. With the slide, if you have the old model, unfortunately, you can tell by seeing how high this little this whole area for the extractor goes. Here you can measure. This is for an updated part. The points between these two should equate to something like 7.5, 7.6, I don't know. But anything much less than that means you gotta go get a craft knife and basically cut off this whole angle, or shave it off, or sand it off, depending on what works best. But this basically has to be cut off by a few millimeters. Now that's done, our barrel, and if it's really stuck in there, you have to get a plier or pull it out and get the new feed assist and assemble it like this. Get your extractor. Now this should be a really tight fit, so it should be, well, you probably have to hammer it in. To make it easier, you might want to sand this side a bit, this angled. But anyway, what you're going to do with your cutout slide, if you have the older model or the newer one, is just shove it in. Now for the other part of the slide, which originally was going to have a extractor pin and rod, kind of lost its purpose now. This is from a pen spring. It's 5 millimeters in diameter, so, or any pen spring will work at this point. Put it in here until there is a gap, which then you put your rear sight in and it should hold still. Well, that's your slide done, and you can put it back in your frame. With the mag, this one is dead simple again. You get your spring. You should have bought that, or if you bought it from the link, you would have had, what, 10 springs or something. You stretch out your originally 5 centimeter spring to around about 70 mils, so 7 centimeters. And I just dropped my spring. Okay, now with your spring and everything, you're gonna get your mag, your follower, which is, well, this way, it goes this way. So this way goes this way. That should be pretty intuitive. Put your spring in here, this little slot, and then you get your, what do you call this? I called it something. I don't know why I called it in the files, but it's this piece. You put it in whatever angle works, and then you put your mag base in, and it should click. And well, yeah, that's basically it. Put in a few shells. The maximum for this is, I think it held 5 shells and it was starting to fracture. Not fracture, but give out. So I'd recommend you only print 5 shells max, since the spring collapses on itself. And with that, yeah, I have no slide lock, not a proper one, because consequences. And yeah, it just locks like this, and that's it. And pull out the mag, pulls it back in. Yeah, that's it.